Alright, adventurers, welcome to the Lost 40. I'm just leaving the parking lot now and heading off on the trail. So this is a very small loop, but it's very exciting. I'm very excited to be here. It is 40 acres of land that surveyors missed in the 1800s, and so it was kind of passed over for logging and stuff. So this is the last patch of old growth pine in Minnesota, and it's exciting because in about 2 weeks, on October 16th, they're going to name this part of the old growth forest network, which is a network that is trying to protect old growth forests from logging. Look at this. Look at the size of this puppy. Just monsters. So the trees here are up to about 250 years old. And they are just enormous. Look at this red pine. That was a white pine. Now here's a giant red pine. Just enormous. And they create a canopy down here where a lot of plants don't like to grow because pine forests are very acidic from their pine needles. But yeah, I'm very excited about this hike. Let's check it out. I think I mentioned earlier, this is a 1 mile loop. It's like just under a mile. But I'm at the very tip of it now. And I didn't know this, but there's a spur trail, 0.2 mile spur trail out to an overlook, I guess. I didn't know that. I thought it was just a loop. So I'm breaking off onto the spur trail now. Let's go check it out. We've reached the end of the spur trail. Looks like excellent moose habitat. Deer. I thought this was like the trail continuing, but it's not. It's an animal trail. It just kind of disappears into the weeds over there. Gorgeous little area. Again, perfect place for moose. Done with the spur trail. We came in this way, and now we're going to be going out that way on the loop. The viewpoint at the end of the loop was, or the spur trail, was pretty cool. But the rest of that spur trail didn't seem that special. almost like walking amongst giants. I can't imagine what it would be like in the redwood forest, California. I'll be there someday if they're still there. Here is the other viewpoint. I guess I don't know if I can call it a viewpoint. It just marks them as a bench, but it's like it's facing away from the trail, and it's just facing the woods. Alright, here's a nice spot. There's a whole bunch of really old trees, and then it looks like this really big one and this one kind of on their last leg. They hardly have any green at the top. And then over here is a really nice big old fir tree. Very nice. Here we go. This looks like the biggest red pine I've seen here so far. Enormous. Let me walk over there and show you how big it is for scale. Enormous. And now just a little further down, here is the biggest white pine I think I've seen. Holy moly. Enormous. Alrighty folks, that ends our loop, and I'm headed back to the car. That was amazing. It was beautiful. Some huge monsters of trees. That was pretty cool. There's actually another dirt road I'm going to check out, so I'll let you know if I find anything down there. Otherwise, check me out next week on Half Trail Backpacking.